In 60 seconds I'll show you how to lock WhatsApp using your fingerprint quickly. Start by opening WhatsApp on your phone and wait for the main chat list to load. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings from the menu. Choose Account, then tap Privacy to open privacy options inside WhatsApp. Scroll down and tap Screen Lock or Fingerprint Lock to access fingerprint options. Switch on Require Fingerprint, then confirm your choice when the phone prompts you. Place your registered finger gently on the sensor to verify and grant access. Select an auto lock interval, immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes, then confirm. Test it by closing WhatsApp and reopening. You should see the fingerprint prompt. If the fingerprint doesn't work, use your device PIN and re-register fingerprints in Settings. Fingerprint Lock secures your chats while letting you control notification previews and privacy. Tip: enable your phone's screen lock and keep encrypted backups for extra security. You're done.